open this up.
Oh, I already had a bobbin in there. I forgot
Yeah,
about her.
yeah. So
Yeah,
let's
that's the
see.
one I did.
Okay, let's see what you did.
Oh, nice.
Nice, Chels.
Thanks.
It's perfect.
Thank you.
You did it.
But yeah, I mean, I thought it was fine, but then it was getting like jammed.
All right. Well, let's see what the problem is.
And you did it on this.
And it probably was because of the threading of the needle. But as I said, can you see that?
Yeah.
So I'm not doing it clockwise. I'm putting it in counterclockwise. So you drop it in there, and then you take it around and around.
Cut it.
Okay.
Okay.
That's gone. And then you put your covering
Then you put a trash can over here.
back over there. Now,
Okay.
let's thread the needle. And where is it?
Here?
Mm-hmm. So, mine, this is kind of new. This little doom might hit you right here. But I think what it's telling us is it goes up through there, right?
Yeah. This. Oh, maybe not.
I don't think.
That.
And it goes down
Wrap it around
underneath
here.
until it catches in your dilly right there. See? See? And I'm using this.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
See, it catches
I see
in there?
Yeah.
Then you come on down around this. Wait a minute, where is it? I can't see.
What are you looking for?
This little thing right here.
Oh, give it? Yeah, do it. It's just.
There. Wait a minute.
Oh, no.
Did it get in there?
No.
Come on this side, Chels. Then you can probably put it in there.
I
What are
didn't.
you looking for?
There.
She's got it.
There it is.
You want that?
Wait, no, there we go. You see where it is?
Oh.
Hooked around there.
Yeah. Okay. I had no idea that was
Now.
necessary.
All right, come and let's see if we can do the threader. Now the threader, you see, this is the lever. And watch how this little thing behind here hooks around your needle. See that? All right, let's see if we can do it. Now the way you would do it is you hook your thread up under here. Wait a minute. This thread is one. It keeps undoing. I think I got too much. Okay. Talia, I need the light on the back side, I think, so I can see how that little dude.
How do you do it?
I can't see.
Like that?
Yeah, I'm trying to show you how this hooks around this little part right here. How it hooks around your needle. You see, when you pull it down, you see that back part right here? And how,
Yeah.
Okay, so that is what is supposed to pop that thread through that needle.
But couldn't you just do it like manually?
Okay. Oh yeah.
Okay.
I do mine manually a lot. And you can practice up on that. Let's just go ahead.
I feel like it's definitely easier for doing it
I do it
manually,
too. I do it too.
but Just do it manually?
Yes. And then you can practice in your own leisure.
Okay. How should I, which way?
Backwards with the thread going.
This way? Okay.
You got a limited edition.
Right, this is awesome. My goodness, my hand's shaky from this coffee I drank. Yeah, my hand's not as steady. It's also my right hand, so let's try this. So much pressure. There's so much pressure.
How about if I tickle you?
No, please.
No, don't tickle you.
That's it.
No,
Got it?
no, I got it. I think I have too much.
Here,
I
let
have
me
too
do it.
much.
Let me do
I
it.
have too much. I can't do it. I literally cannot do this to save my life.
You need like a magnifying glass.
I need my glasses on.
True.
There it is. That's it. But okay,
If I get
I'm gonna get cold, but we're gonna get this needle threaded before I go.
Because this is the hardest part, isn't it, Mom?
Mm-hmm. It is. I have it in
you're
there.
there, you're in there.
I know. But
Just pull it.
the thread is so little.
My nails.
Ah, you got it.
Okay.
Okay. There we go.
Woohoo!
Teamwork.
Right.
Actually, let's see. There we go. Okay, come here, Chelsea. Let me show you something. It was at 0.
I do 0, 1,
Okay, exactly.
and it's
There we
already
go.
a J.
Yep, and you see how your needle moved over,
Yeah.
right? Okay, because your foot. This is called a foot. You have different foots for different stitches. This foot allows the needle to go back and forth, but you want your needle to start out in a certain position, which is like 01. So here's what we got to do first, though, is pull up our bobbin thread. Remember, we put the bobbin in there and I cut the thread, so it's just sitting in there. This is how you pull it up. You hold on to the thread for the needle, hold it, and then you just manually move your needle. And you may not be able to see it, but look underneath there. You see that little piece sticking out?
Yeah.
Well, that's what you gotta go get. And either use, a tool or your hand and pull it. Oops. There we go.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
See? I got it? All right. Now, what you want to do is